Welcome everybody to my art room. I'm going to do a Dutch pour air swipe today with some paints that I've had left over in some little containers that I want to use up. I've got a pretty turquoise. This is a deep turquoise and another turquoise that I've mixed together. So some of these colors are made up. Need a bit more water in this one. So for a air swipe and Dutch pour, you need thinner paint. I have a Prussian blue by Liquitex. This one is a pink and a magenta that I mixed together, and I made my own dark pink. I've got some silver, just a little bit. And of course, whoops, sorry, I'm shaking this. Of course, some white base that's thinned down. It's just Artist Loft and some house paint. I'm debating whether to put some purple in here. And I'm going to have to mix it. No, I think I'll just stick with the turquoise and the pink and the gray and the silver. So I'm just going to pour this down. See how much more I need. On my palette knife. It looks like I might need a little more water in my white. I thought it was thin enough, but apparently not. I might need a little more for my, then you'd put your colors down in the middle or wherever you like, and then you add some weight around and you blow it over. Almost enough. Almost. I think this is 9 by 14 canvas. I'm gonna have to, whoops, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I have my phone plugged in, so I caught the wire. I'm just going to make up a little more for my pouring around. I have Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic and some house paint mixed up separately. There I go again. There. All right, I should have enough to blow around. See, it makes an indent when you let it go. No mound in there. All right, so let me get my other paints going. I'll go put turquoise first. Now this paint is a little bit thinner, I think. I'll just do it this way. I just love the Prussian blue. Gotta get my hair dryer ready. Pour some white around. There we go. Let's see if I think I'm going to turn this around. Blow from this side. Blow the white over. Blow it this way. Wow, look at that. Oh, so awesome. Woo! I'm gonna use my little mini blower. Blow some of that down off the side. That's beautiful. Wow. Talk about lacing. Whoa. Just want to blow this up a bit more. There, I'm not going to play with it anymore. I'm going to torch it. Now there's no silicone in this. There could be, I think one of them might have had some gloss medium. But that's it. And floetrol. I'm glad I did a big canvas. I'm starting to venture down into the larger canvases. Here, I'll touch up my sides later. I'll hold this up for you. Wow, eh? Look at that. I love it. That Prussian blue is so awesome. Great. I'm not even gonna change anything. It is what it is. All right, have a great day, everybody. Come back soon to my art room. I hope you enjoyed this one. Woohoo! Awesome. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. This is the dried results of my amazing Dutch pour. This is what the house paint does. I'm pretty sure. It's beautiful. I love it. It looks like a big giant flower. There you go. It's my dried results. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.